Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to my channel, The Monk Who Made Tarkari. And today this lady, after making beautiful tarkari for the Saturday lunch and dinner, I'm here to share a great secret with you all, with the help of which we can transform our life 180 degrees. It's a very simple technique. It's about practicing gratitude. Be grateful each moment, each moment. How you can use gratitude to change your life, I'll just brief you about it. Every day our maid is coming to our house to help with our household chores, and then when she leaves, as a practice, we tell thank you auntie, thanks for coming. So these things are these small changes we have started practicing. These are our basic manners. But what we fail to do, we don't practice gratitude for each breath. Wake up in the morning, that is a blessing in itself. Be grateful to God for that. But what we do, like I spoke in my last video, we just keep complaining. ये नहीं हुआ, वो नहीं हुआ. Be grateful कि you're there to at least talk about क्या करना है. So many people, so many lives are getting lost each day. Some people are fighting for एक सांस extra, for one extra breath. They are fighting. You are smiling. Maybe you are watching the video in your tab, in your smartphone. You can see, you can watch the video. Be grateful for that. So this is very simple technique. Though we say these simple techniques, I have heard people saying that these simple things are the most difficult things to do. No, nazariya badlo, life badlega. It's very easy to change your life. Science, law of attraction, universe, cosmos, as again I'll discuss about that, how gratitude, each moment practicing that can change your life. I'll just share a story. मेरे घर की कहानी है. My own cousin brother, मेरे बुआ के बेटे, while he was traveling one day by train. He was a very frequent traveler. He lives in Banaras. So he fell down from train and both his legs were amputated. And then that man, when we met him next, he said only one line कि मेरा जब दोनों पैर कट गया और मैं खून पे लथपथ था, मुझे खुशी इस बात की थी कि मेरे बच्चे हॉस्पिटल में मुझे रिसीव करने आए थे, ना कि मेरे बॉडी को रिसीव करने आए थे. So this is being grateful. That man did not shed a tear. So is it that we have to be grateful for everything which is happening around us? No, don't be grateful for the violence that is happening around us. Don't be grateful for the injustices in the society. Take a stand, speak out. You are allowed to speak out, though it may sound a negative, but you are allowed. You have to voice it out. But for your small things in your life, they are not actually small things. They are the biggest thing. They will make the biggest difference in your life. घर छोटा है, I'm complaining? No, be grateful. सिर के ऊपर छत है. There's n number of people. They even they are not having any shed over their head, and many people who have beautiful houses, they can lose it just in 1 second. Japan is a land of tsunami and earthquake. So many, like, earthquake devastates a country. People lose things overnight. So be grateful for the things when you have. Life is an opportunity you get only once. And वह कहते हैं ना, opportunity knocks only once. So each moment we are getting the opportunity. God is giving us the opportunity to be grateful. So you can just be grateful, and that thing will be manifested in your life. Suppose you're going for a job interview, and don't panic. क्या होगा, क्या नहीं होगा. Don't become God to judge that. Be grateful in a way. Grateful and be positive in the same time, and everything will be manifested. It's a science. It's the same train. Her word is in the same bogie. There is no separation. So it might sound sometimes कि ये तो हर बार आके एक ही बात बोल रही है, एक ही गाना गा रही है. Law of attraction. She is just trying to encash that, but no. It's all these thoughts are belong to the same family. So before going to the interview, be grateful that मैं इतने बड़े ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में इंटरव्यू देने जा रहा हूँ. A person in this such and such position will interview me. Oh my God, what a person I am! What a great person I am! Salute to my knowledge. Because a person of this stature is questioning my knowledge, is analyzing my knowledge. So be grateful for that, for having that knowledge. for going to that interview, for being selected for that interview, and the rest other things will fall in place. Suppose you get up in the morning and you're having this very bad headache, so be grateful for that. Really be grateful for the pains also you have. This will really help you in the long run. When you see, some people are really very happy. Some people are traveling in Lamborghini, living in palatial houses, but they are, to their core, they are not that happy. But somebody who is just riding a bicycle daily to work, and you can always see him is smiling and he is always humming a song. Why is that so? Because he is being grateful, and the other person is not. ये है और चाहिए और चाहिए और चाहिए. So the gratitude is taking a back seat, and the want and desire of more is taking the main stage. So we should have a desire for more. Life is all about enjoying name, fame, lot of money, everything. But if we take gratitude hand in hand, there is no harm to it. So it's not that I'll be happy, then I'll be grateful. It's not that. I'll be grateful, then only I'll be happy. So this is the difference. We have to remember each moment. Being happy is just a matter of choice. Make that choice, be grateful, and have a very rocking Navratri. Namaste.